All right. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Happy new month. Ekele ka ekesa anyanwụ eji m n'aka na ọ na-agazi nke ọma. Nke onye chiri ya sịrị nwa mmadụ emebila nwa mmụọ ma nwa mmụọ emebila nwa mmadụ. I greet you all today. Today is a continuation of our last week lesson. The continuation of our last week lesson. And remember the topic we were discussing last week, and also remember where we stopped. And also remember um, um, the areas we are looking at. Kono mata akụkụ ndị ebe ahụ sịga a na-elegasị anya n'ebe ndị ahụ anyị tegasịrị aka n'izu gara aga anyị alatụfugo oge anyị. Ihe mụ maka ya n'izu gara aga ọ kara ihe ọzọ kama ọ bụ okwu gbasara atụmatụ okwu. Mana tupu m aga n'ihu, ọ ga-amasị m before I go ahead, before I start with the teaching today, I would like you to share this very channel, invite people, and like our words, our teaching. I'll just give 2 minutes for that before we then commence. Thank you as you do so. Good evening, Mrs. Lynn and me. Good evening, Mommy. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please let's share. Let's share the video. Let's share the channel. Let's invite so that we'll start immediately without wasting much of our time. All right, let's begin. Because of our time, we don't have much time. The topic we are discussing today is Figures of speech, part 2. That's what we are discussing today. Under Ilulu, this proverb. As proverb is, Akwara n'ihe Ilulu. I explained it, and there were some questions people asked. Uh, people asked some questions, and today I promised to write the Okwu itself. Okay, the Okwu itself. That's exactly what I want to write, and I explain that Ilulu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri okwu. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri okwu, ma ọ bụ gị sị na ilu bụ okwu miri emi chọrọ gịnị amamihe, okwu dị omimi chọrọ amamihe miri emi iji mee gịnị kọwaa ya maọbụ iji mee gịnị ghọta ya. That is to say that if you don't think deep, reason deep, you may not be able to explain or give the actual meaning of a proverb. Okay? That is why, and I said last week that a proverb has its own setting. For instance, we may not be talking about death, and somebody would use a proverb that talks about enjoyment and bring it in. No, it doesn't sound okay. That's why proverb has its own setting. It has settings, and that is why we are going to look at some proverbs. Okay. Kembu ilu gbasara amamihe. Ilu gbasara amamihe. Amamihe is wisdom. That is a proverb that talks about wisdom. Ilu gbasara amamihe. A proverb that talks about wisdom. We have a agbụsị gba otule ọmụrụ akọ. Agbụsị gba otule ọmụrụ akọ. Please, you permit me after writing some of them, then I will be explaining them one after the other. Please permit me, okay? I will be following it one after the other. Don't mind my voice and my mood. Yeah, I'm somehow weak today, but we'll continue, okay? I'm somehow weak, very, very weak. But let's continue. Eji anya ama ọka chara acha. Anya ama ọka chara acha. Chi nwata oke ije na-aka okenye isi awọ ama ihe. Ama ihe. Let me explain this story. Now, the number one, that's Abusegbu today. Yeah, Morocco. Number one means like there is an Igbo adage, for instance, when something happens to someone, it makes that person to become more wise. Again, when you fail in one attempt, it will give you more knowledge on how to tackle the other problems. Now, this number A explanation simply means that when something happens to you the first time, it will make you to become more wise. That is the number one. Agbụsịgbu ya mụrụ akọ. Mgbe ihe mee gị na mbụ, gị mee gịnị? Ọ ga-eme gị mee gịnị? Gị mara ihe. You become more wise. Number two, anyị kwuru maka aka abị eji anya ama ọka chara acha. You see, literally, you you notice a maize that is right through your eyes. Now, it simply means through your perception through your eyes between beauty and ugly. That is number one. Through your wisdom, your common sense, you'll be able to know the words, the right thing and the wrong thing. Ya bụ eji anya ama ọka chara acha. Okay? Mm. Ya bụ ọ bụ site na gịnị, n'anya ka esi ama gịnị ma nke ọma ma gịnị ma nke ọjọọ. Ọ bụ ụfọdụ ndị okenye asị na anya ma ọka chara aka na ngwa ha ya bụ gịnị ụsa. Okay, that's why whenever they want to talk about things that has to do with wisdom, they bring in these very proverbs. Then the number chi says, nwata oke ije na-aka okenye isi awọ ama ihe. Nwata oke ije na-aka okenye isi awọ ama ihe. Sometimes when I'm talking to you, I do make use of this very proverb. I do make use of this very proverb. A traveler is more knowledgeable than what a gray-headed man, an old man. Now let me explain it in a simple term. If you're a traveler, okay, you will see some things, some areas. The more you travel, is the more you have knowledge of those areas, knowledge of some things, both good and bad. So it will make you to be more knowledgeable than somebody who has never attempted it for the first time. Yeah, that is what this one means. Okay, so I'll be taking it gradually, gradually. Nke a bụ ilu gbasara amamihe ka anyị kọwara maka ya. Let me go to number two. Please permit me to wipe this one off. Two. Ilu gosiri which is foolishness. Ilu gosiri a simply means someone that has no wisdom, somebody who is, empty upstairs. That is the somebody who is unable to apply wisdom in any circumstance. So that is why this proverb talks about it. The number one, which is ilu basara mamihe, whenever you want to say any proverb that has to do with wisdom, you apply that one. It's okay. You make it. Whenever you want to talk about something that has to do with foolishness, maybe you're discussing with somebody, or maybe there's kind of topic you want to talk about that talks about foolishness. That is when you will bring in this now. Okay. Hey, onye ụlọ ya na-ere ọkụ. Onye onye nzuzu na-agba ọsọ mmiri mgbe mmiri gbaziri ya ahụ. Onye nzuzu na-agba ọsọ mmiri nọmba two, ohu hụrụ ka eji mbaze eri ibe ya na-achị ọchị. Ya chetakwa ya chetakwa ụbọchị nke ya. Now let me explain it. Okay, let me explain it. Ilu gosi nzuzu onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ maọbụ na-ere ọkụ anaghị achụ oke. It simply means whenever you are in trouble, you don't overlook that very trouble just to enjoy. You don't overlook those trouble and go for enjoyment, whereas there's something that hooked you on your neck. That is what this AA is talking about. Then this one, onye nzuzu na-agba ọsọ mmiri, it simply means that a foolish person runs away when he is already in that shit, when he is already involved in that problem. And you know there's no way you can run away from it so long you are involved in it. Okay? Ohu ka eji mbazi eri ibe ya na-achị ọchị chetakwa ụbọchị nke ya. It simply means when you see your neighbor in or in an ugly situation and you start laughing at that person, remember that trouble is inevitable. Remember that trouble is inevitable. I'm going to stop here for today. We shall see again on Saturday on the that is second week or second Saturday of this month of November. So for now, I will stop here so that when next we come, we'll begin from where we stopped. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please share invite people, tell people about this very channel. Bye bye for now.